Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of cordless chainsaws. Whether you're a homeowner with a yard full of branches or a DIYer who loves tackling outdoor projects, cordless chainsaws have become a game changer. They're lightweight, easy to use, and perfect for those who want to avoid the hassle of gas-powered tools. But with so many options on the market, how do you know which one to choose? Well, stick around because we've ranked the top 5 cordless chainsaws to help you find the perfect fit for your needs. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Makita. This compact little chainsaw is specifically designed for light-duty tasks like pruning and trimming, and it's perfect if you're working in tight spaces or up in a tree. Its lightweight build and top-handle design make it incredibly easy to maneuver, even for beginners. Now let's talk features. The Makita is powered by an 18-volt brushless motor, which delivers performance comparable to a 22cc gas chainsaw. It's whisper quiet, emits zero fumes, and comes with a variable speed trigger for precise control. Plus, Makita's torque boost mode is a lifesaver when you're cutting through thicker branches. You also get an automatic chain lubrication system to keep things running smoothly, which is a nice touch. But like every tool, it's not without its flaws. The 10-inch bar length limits the size of the branches you can cut, and the auto shut-off feature, while energy-saving, can be frustrating during longer tasks. It's also not ideal for anything beyond light-duty work. So who's this chainsaw for? If you're a gardener or a homeowner looking to maintain small trees or hedges, the Makita is a fantastic option. It's lightweight, portable, and easy to use. But if you're tackling bigger jobs, you might want to keep watching. Coming in at number 4, we've got the SKIL PowerCore 20. This is one of the lightest cordless chainsaws on our list, making it a breeze to handle for extended periods. Its compact size and user-friendly features make it perfect for quick, small tasks around the yard. What sets this chainsaw apart is its efficient brushless motor and toolless chain tensioning system, which allows you to adjust the chain in seconds. No extra tools required. It also has an auto lubrication system that keeps the chain running smoothly, and the anti-kickback brake adds a layer of safety for beginners. Now let's address the downsides. The SKIL isn't built for heavy-duty jobs. Its 20-volt battery is great for light trimming and cutting, but it struggles with thicker branches or prolonged use. You may also find yourself recharging the battery more often if you're working on larger projects. So who should consider the SKIL? This chainsaw is perfect for homeowners looking for a lightweight, easy-to-use tool for smaller cutting jobs. It's affordable, efficient, and great for quick yard cleanups. Taking the third spot is the Craftsman, a versatile and reliable choice for light to medium duty tasks. It's a bit heavier than the SKIL, but that extra weight gives it a sturdy feel and better balance for slightly more demanding jobs. This chainsaw comes with some thoughtful features, like a bubble level for precise cuts and a tool-free chain tensioning system that makes adjustments super convenient. The 20-volt battery delivers solid performance, and the auto-oiling system ensures the chain stays in good shape while you work. However, it does have its drawbacks. The 12-inch bar length limits its cutting capacity, and while it's more powerful than the Makita or SKIL, it's still not built for heavy-duty tasks. Also, the battery life may fall short if you're working on extended projects. So who's this chainsaw for? If you're looking for a dependable tool that can handle a mix of light and medium duty work, the Craftsman is a solid choice. It's a step up in performance but still easy to use for most homeowners. In second place, we have the Greenworks, a chainsaw that strikes a great balance between power and portability. With a 40-volt battery and a 14-inch bar, it's capable of tackling medium-duty tasks like cutting logs and trimming larger branches, making it a fantastic all-rounder. The Greenworks features a brushless motor that delivers the power equivalent to a 40cc gas chainsaw, but without the noise, fumes, or maintenance. It also comes equipped with an automatic oiler to keep the chain running smoothly and a toolless chain tensioning system for quick adjustments. It's a versatile tool that's easy to operate even for beginners. On the downside, the Greenworks doesn't come with a battery or charger included, so you'll need to purchase those separately, which adds to the cost. Additionally, while it's powerful enough for most yard tasks, it's not designed for heavy-duty work like felling large trees or cutting through thick, dense logs. So who's the Greenworks for? This is an excellent option for homeowners who need a reliable and powerful chainsaw for regular yard maintenance. It's versatile, easy to use, and offers plenty of power for most everyday jobs. If you're looking for something with a bit more cutting capacity than the Craftsman, this might just be the tool for you. And finally, taking the top spot on our list is the DeWalt. This is the powerhouse of the group, designed for heavy-duty cutting tasks and delivering performance that rivals gas-powered chainsaws. If you need serious cutting power, the DeWalt is the way to go. Let's talk features. With a 60-volt battery and an 18-inch bar, this chainsaw is built for big jobs, like cutting down trees or slicing through thick logs. It comes with an auto-oiling system to keep the chain lubricated, a chain brake for added safety, and an onboard wrench for quick and easy adjustments. The high torque and cutting speed make it perfect for demanding projects. But as you'd expect, all that power comes with a couple of trade-offs. At 11.1 pounds, it's the heaviest chainsaw on our list, so it might not be as comfortable for use in extended periods. Also, like the Greenworks, it doesn't include the battery or charger, which adds to the overall cost. So who's the DeWalt for? This is the chainsaw for anyone who needs top-tier performance. Whether you're a professional or a homeowner tackling large demanding projects, the DeWalt is a reliable and powerful tool that will get the job done. And there you have it, our top 5 cordless chainsaws ranked from light duty to heavy duty champions. If you're ready to make your pick, check out the links in the description below to get the best deals. And don't forget to like this video, drop a comment with your favorite chainsaw, and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.